Today in Portland, there was a person from the VHS tape inside of the house. Inside the house, his family are in danger. And you need some weapons to stop this thing. And after the morning, the guy with an M4 carbine held himself to defeat these creatures in Oregon. After that, the boy named Percy Haddon that saws this. Percy Haddon sees an emergency alert near in the TV. After somewhere else, her dad calls Lennox in Portland. Winston have healed by the bandage in Portland. After that, Caleb was in her house in Portland. After that night, in Portland, an evil person holding a chainsaw that killed 13 people and died. This person had died by killing by a serial killer.